Hey bear, what's up? Hey, what's that? Hey, there's a hunter, man. No, like, go, not hide. Don't keep waving. You need to move. There's a hunter, man. I think I need to call Veganza. Veganza, I need your help.
What's that, Freedom?
There's a bear about to be hunted. Come here immediately.
I'm on the way.
Ah, yes. I'm so happy that the FWC has opened up the Florida Black Bear Hunt. I love my bears. I love the meat. I better be quiet because I can hear a bear coming right now. Slow, steady squeeze.
Freeze! Now you feel the same fear as the bears feel. When you wake, you will have a wildlife ambulance idea, and you will fight for wildlife and all animals to live. Unfreeze.
What am I doing?
Hi, I'm Freedom.
I'm Veganza,
And if this video impacted you,
and you want to stop the trophy hunt for bears,
go ahead, comment down below, bear.
and we'll send you details to how to get involved.